Welcome to our exclusive review series where we deep dive into the world of IoT and automation. We will cover technical specifications and real world industrial applications. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Abhishek.
Hi, this is Sumit.
And welcome to our review series where we will deep dive into the world of IoT and automation. In this video, we are going to review Phoenix ILC 131 PLC, which is a ATH modular small scale controller for inline IO system. It is a DIN rail mount device and it supports various Ethernet based protocols such as Modbus, TCP/IP, and Profinet. So, Sumit, can you tell us more about this PLC?
Yeah, definitely. So, as you correctly said, Abhishek, that it supports Modbus TCP/IP. So, Modbus being a legacy protocol, but still being very widely used. So, it gives you that advantage that you can communicate with many number of devices.
Right.
Other than that, it also has an inbuilt HTML web server.
Okay.
So, you can use it as a HMI. You can program your HMI into this and use this on any of your network machine, and it will give you a web page which will display the parameters of your process or the PLC, whatever you want.
Awesome.
Other than that, it also supports many numerous protocols such as HTTP, MQTT. MQTT again and HTTP both give you the edge and the flexibility to connect to any of the cloud-based IoT platforms.
Right.
And also it supports FTP, SNTP, SNMP, SMTP, and also you can also use this to send data to any of your databases such as SQL and MySQL.
Awesome. So yeah, as you have mentioned, like it supports nearly all the protocols, right? On the programming side, it does support free PCWorks and Config Plus for configuration. You can just download it from the Phoenix website and then just use it. It also has a OPC application interface. On the hardware front, it has the Altera Neos 64 megahertz processor, and it supports all the known programming languages, mainly used programming languages like instruction list, ladder diagram, function block diagram, and symbolic flowcharts. This is also structured text. So what I think what else you can tell us about this?
So as you said that it supports multiple languages, so gives you the edge in terms of programming. So you have different programming languages that gives you the flexibility to program it any way that you want. Other than that, as I told you that it is a Modbus device, it is also a Profinet device.
Okay.
So it being a Profinet device, you can add it as a field controller, as a remote IO to any of your Profinet masters as well. It works on 24-volt DC, and the processor by itself has 8 digital inputs. Right. So these are the input cards, the first two, and 4 digital outputs.
Okay.
So all in all, the controller has inbuilt IOs, a Ethernet port. So it is a complete automation package built into itself, and you can further add on IOs as well.
Oh.
And as I told you that this is a RJ45 jack, RJ45 jack, and a RS232 port. So with this you can connect it as a Ethernet device, a Profinet device, and anywhere on your network.
Okay. So what do you think? What are the main use cases for this?
So see, it's basically a PLC. So industrial automation is one of the biggest use cases. Other than that, it also supports protocols such as IEC 104, thereby enabling it to use in telemetry or RTU or a substation automation solution as well. It is also very widely used in applications for water and wastewater, and also as we discussed that it is a Profinet device. So I told you that it can be used in your Profinet network.
Right.
And one big advantage that this product has a fantastic and a very lucrative price. So giving it a edge as against its price to performance ratio.
Okay. Awesome. You mentioned a lot of positives about this. Can you tell us something? Maybe something is missing, or maybe good to have in this?
You always have this question for me. So, which is, I really do believe that we are reviewing some of the very best products.
Right.
So, again, a very difficult question. But then, one thing that we've noticed, when you connect it to a Modbus TCP client, so you need to build a Modbus TCP server into this.
Okay.
So, with every client, you need to build a server into this. So, what I mean to say, when you program it to cater to one client, you can cater only to one client. If you need to cater to another client, you need to add the code, the program of one more server into this.
Okay.
So probably I do believe with other control it's not the case, wherein you program one server and you are able to cater to multiple clients.
Okay.
So that is one thing that can be worked upon, I do believe.
So this is it about Phoenix PLC ILC 131, which is an inline IO system. And just I would like to mention that it can readily push data to different cloud platforms, including StatStream.ai. So thanks for connecting. And if you like our content, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Thank you.